friends and family, it's Wendy with The Wendy Moore, and I am here with my February unboxing video from Young Living's product orders. These are my loyalty reward orders, and this month I also placed a shop order, which is a one-time order. So I've got two loyalty orders to share with you, one for my husband, one for myself, and then also my professional account order. So let's get started. We'll start here with our Ningxia Red. I know I just showed you that I ordered it in January, but when Young Living puts this on sale, and it was a significant sale, I went ahead and stocked up with another 4 bottles of the Ningxia Red. And this is our beautiful, lovely Ningxia Red. That's our super fruit antioxidant. It helps to prevent free radicals. It works on every single tissue site in the body, and it's energizing and it's fantastic. So if you haven't tried it yet, you owe it to yourself to try it. The kit was the loyalty reward order that I talked about last month. So it also came with a packet of 30 2-ounce packets that are perfect for travel. So I've got plenty of these now for our travels. We're getting ready to go on another trip. So we will have that all in stock and ready to go. And these will all be in my wine cooler, because even though I don't drink wine, I'd always appreciate a good bottle of red. So that'll go in my wine cooler. Let's see. Also in this order was sulfurzyme powder. I prefer the powder because there is no lapsing in time between when you can take it and when you can eat. The suggestion with the capsules is to take it either an hour before or after you eat. So this just makes it convenient for me. I can put the sulfurzyme right into my shake, and I love this because it helps to strengthen our hair. And I know that there's tons of benefits to sulfurzyme, but I'm not going to take the time to get into it today because I've got so many other products to share. But if you'd like more information, reach out. Also, another Lavender Vitality, because believe it or not, I already ran out of the one I had from last month. My granddaughter loves it too, so she helps me use it whenever she comes over. It's always her favorite to go in the diffuser. Now, as far as free products, every month Young Living offers different products that are a free gift with purchase. The more you purchase, the more gifts you get. So this month I received a bottle of bergamot. Bergamot is in the citrus family, and if you were to see it, you would think that it was a lime because it's a green skin naturally, but it is in the orange family. And bergamot, you might know from Earl Grey tea. And then Sensation. Oh, Sensation is one of my absolute favorites scents, and it's also one that goes in my diffuser, and I love being able to use this as a perfume too. And then Deep Relief. Deep Relief is exactly what the name says. When I get those tension areas in my neck, because I spend a lot of time on social media and on my computer, so when I need a little boost, I reach for my Deep Relief and apply it topically. And then Aroma Seas is another product that I purchased. The Aroma Seas I mentioned last month is one that helps me anytime I have any type of cramping. So I love this oil, especially when I get overtired. I tend to find that, my joints and so forth ache a little bit more, and this one is my favorite to use. Also a freebie with the order was our charcoal mask. If you've not tried the charcoal mask, it's definitely charcoal when it goes on your face, but it leaves your face feeling free of any impurities, and it leaves it so silky smooth. I love this product, and I like to do it usually about every 2 to 3 weeks. So that was my order for the products. My husband's order, we start with Shutron. This is our 3-in-1. It's body, face, and shower. Body, hair, and face. So he loves it specifically for his hair. His hair has always been thin and a little bit on the oily side, and when he uses the Shutron 3-in-1, he has no flyaways, he has no problem with control of his hair, and it does not get oily. The scalp doesn't get as oily as quickly as it did with the previous shampoos that he had tried on the market. We also did 2 of our Balance Complete. Balance Complete is our protein shake. It's made with whey and it is delicious. Some people say it tastes a little bit like birthday cake. I'm just going to move that up there so I've got some more room because, like I said, I got a lot of stuff to spread out here. And then we also got 2 boxes of our Master Formula, which is our multi-spectrum multivitamin. And as I've shown you in the past, these are perfect for travel because it's individual sachets. There's 4 pills in each. One is our essential oil capsule, so it's liquid inside there, and that's the magic of this product because it gives it greater absorption. It goes into your system much quicker, and you're not just excreting everything that you've just swallowed. So these are on our order every single month, and again, for travel, it can't be beat. It's one of the best things I can take with me and support my health while I'm traveling. Agiles, we've got 1, 2, 3 bottles here of Agiles, and this is our joint and muscle support product, and we go through a lot of this because we're starting to age into that category now. So this keeps our mobility, so we love that. And then let me reach over and grab this one. Last but not least, this was my order that was placed on our professional account. Young Living does offer a professional account to certain professions, and if you've got a business that can qualify for reselling of product, you get a little added discount. So I have retail customers that I purchase for under my professional account. And one of them uses Agiles, so I got another bottle of Agiles for them. And she also uses the Super Cow Plus. We talked about Agiles. Super Cow Plus is going to be a support with calcium and magnesium and all the things that I need to keep my structure in place. So my doctor told me several years ago that I needed to use vitamin D, and when I found this product, it was a combination of the 3 things that I needed, and my bone density showed that it was significantly working. So I love this product, and I love when you can, actually know the difference that it's made between when I tested without it and when I tested after using it. Let's see, my husband also got a Valor deodorant on my account because he forgot to order it on his. And then for, let's see what it is, that's the Super Cow, and then the rest of these are freebies, and they're going to be similar to the ones that I got. The only difference is I think I got one more than he did because his volume wasn't high enough to get to the last level, and that was the charcoal mask. So we have bergamot essential oil, we have sensation essential oil, we have deep relief, and we have, this was for a purchase, Idaho Blue Spruce. So those are the products that we ordered during the month of February, and I can't wait to see you when our March orders ship. Take care, and I'll see you soon.